Wow, only a noob would do that. Well, I'm gonna assume that that guy has you.
It's still just on me.
Yeah, he's just camping you.
You doing the generator over there?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm coming.
He's here on me. So.
Yeah, I can see him. You have kindred, so I see that.
What? I'm getting.
I got you.
What?
How did he fuck that up? Run, Gallon, run! Hurry up and vault something so you can get your live back. Oh, you don't. He's right there. Okay.
It's going toward me. Oh.
Our team is being really bad right now. I don't know what they're
I
doing.
haven't seen anyone else doing the fucking repairs.
Yeah, I'm picking up on that. I can't get you, bud. He's just camping you.
Literally just watching someone. Oh wait, I'm actually doing the repair.
Yeah, they should have done like 3 repairs by the time, with all the time that I wasted on this guy. I can't get you otherwise. If he wasn't camping you, I would have came to you already. But
running. Oh, there it is. Okay, still just like waiting in the corner.
I'm way over the wall, bro. Are you serious? Wow. Okay. And they're gonna leave me. Cool. Okay. They're not even gonna try to come get me. Cool. Wow, I actually got off. That's crazy.
Yeah, they just left.
Oh, no way! No way! Oh wow. Savage.
Oh my god.
Wow. He's salty. I messaged him, so I'm gonna get banned again. I just said stop face camping, dude. That's toxic as fuck. I don't condone that behavior. Gallon. No. That shit never lets me off the hook like that. That's crazy, dude. And the fact that not only did it let me off the hook, he missed the fucking hit, and then the hatch spawned right there. Get fucked. That's just wrong.
Game really let you off the hook.
Shut up, Gallon.